Hello, my Gateway friends. I have some new songs for us this week. I made slides for you so you can read the words and it'll make it super easy for you to learn these songs. We're going to start with Peep Squirrel. It's short and cute, and maybe you'll think of this when you see a squirrel in your yard. Peep squirrel, doo-da-diddle-dum, doo-da-diddle-dum, peep squirrel, doo-da-diddle-dum-dum. Sing it with me. Peep squirrel, doo-da-diddle-dum, doo-da-diddle-dum, peep squirrel, doo-da-diddle-dum-dum. That's all there is. It's a short little simple song. See if you can learn it well enough that you can teach it to somebody in your family. This song is one of my favorites. It's called I Love the Mountains. I will sing it the first time and then you can jump in and sing with me if you're feeling brave. I love the mountains, I love the rolling hills, I love the flowers, I love the daffodils, I love the fireside when the lights are low. Boom-de-yada, 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 boom-de-yada. I love the mountains, I love the rolling hills, I love the flowers, I love the daffodils, I love the fireside when the lights are low. Boom-de-yada, 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 boom-de-yada. Go ahead and sing along if you're feeling brave. This is our third time. I love the mountains, I love the rolling hills, I love the flowers, I love the daffodils, I love the fireside when the lights are low. Boom-de-yada, 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 boom, boom, boom. Second graders will do something super duper fun with that in third grade. So see if you can really learn that well. Get it stuck in your head. This is another brand new one. Kindergartners and first graders, I don't always teach this to your grades, but it's a special year, so we'll try something a little special. I will warn you, your family might think this song is gross. We'll do it 2 times. I'll sing it the first time, and then if you're feeling brave, you can jump in and help me. Here we go. Black socks, they never get dirty. The longer I wear them, the blacker they get. Sometimes I think I should wash them, but something keeps telling me don't do it yet. Ew. Jump in and sing along if you're feeling brave. Black socks, they never get dirty. The longer I wear them, the blacker they get. Sometimes I think I should wash them, but something keeps telling me don't do it yet. All right, second graders, again, a challenge to you. Can you really get that one stuck in your head? We will have so much fun with that in third grade. And if you come back to school already knowing that, it'll be amazing. This song is an oldie but a goodie. You've never seen the words written out. It looks kind of silly, doesn't really mean anything. It's sort of nonsense words. It sounds like this. A-rum-sum-sum, a-rum-sum-sum, gooly-gooly-gooly-gooly-gooly, rum-sum-sum, a-rum-sum-sum, a-rum-sum-sum, gooly-gooly-gooly-gooly-gooly, rum-sum-sum, a-raffy, a-raffy, gooly-gooly-gooly-gooly-gooly, rum-sum-sum, a-raffy, a-raffy, gooly-gooly-gooly-gooly-gooly, rum-sum-sum. Yeah, I forgot to tell you we do the top 2 lines 2 times and then the bottom 2 lines 2 times through. One more time. If you remember the actions for this, feel free to add them in. We sort of padded the beat with walking hands on our legs for the ram sam sam. The guli guli guli, we twirled our hands round and round super fast. And on a rafi, we stretched our hands far apart. A ram sam sam, a ram sam sam. Guli 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 ram sam sam, a ram sam sam, a ram sam sam. Guli 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 ram sam sam. Arafi, arafi, guli 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 ram sam sam. Arafi, arafi, guli 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 ram sam sam. Fun, isn't it? I don't know why it's so fun. This is a new one, but it's not tricky. Let's look over the words real quick. Chairs to mend. Old chairs to mend. Mackerel. Fresh mackerel. I gave you a picture clue in case you weren't sure what a mackerel was. Any old rags. Any old rags. That's the whole song, friends. We'll do it a couple times through. Feel free to listen until you feel confident. Chairs to mend, old chairs to mend. Mackerel, fresh mackerel. Any old rags, any old rags. Chairs to mend, old chairs to mend. Mackerel, fresh mackerel. Any old rags, any old rags. Are you feeling confident? Let's do it one time, super smooth, no stops. Do you know what it means to mend something, guys and gals? If you're not quite sure, maybe you check in with somebody in your family, with an adult might help you figure out what it means to mend something. I'll give you a hint. I do not want to sit on an old chair if someone needs to mend it. Hint, hint. Here we go. Chairs to mend, old chairs to mend. Mackerel, fresh mackerel. Any old rags, any old rags. Nice work. You can rewind the video. You can sing that one as many times as you want. But first graders, this is going to be a song you're going to get super duper duper good at in second grade. Kindergartners, you're going to get super good at this next year as well. So this is kind of a preview lesson on them. One more fantastic. These songs are called rounds. We'll be able to sing them round and around when we get back together. Some of you will recognize it. 1 bottle of pop, 2 bottles of pop, 3 bottles of pop, 4 bottles of pop, 5 bottles of pop, 6 bottles of pop, 7 bottles of pop. Don't put your dust in my dustpan, my dustpan, my dustpan. Don't put your dust in my dustpan is full. Fish and chips and vinegar, vinegar, vinegar. Fish and chips and vinegar, pepper, 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 salt. A couple things you might not be familiar with. Do you know what a dustpan is? When you sweep up everything that you are busy sweeping up, you need a way to get that stuff into the trash, right? You need a dustpan. Little Lego man doesn't have a dustpan there, does he? He's just busy brushing it all into a pile. Fish and chips is it's a dinner that's often served in England, and they don't usually put ketchup on their fries. They'll put vinegar and pepper and salt. That's how they will eat their fish and chips, their fries, their chips. And it's not my favorite way to eat it. Give me a bunch of ketchup, but it's kind of a fun song. See if you can help me out. 1 bottle of pop, 2 bottles of pop, 3 bottles of pop, 4 bottles of pop, 5 bottles of pop, 6 bottles of pop, 7 bottles of pop. Don't put your dust in my dustpan, my dustpan, my dustpan. Don't put your dust in my dustpan, my dustpan is full. Fish and chips and vinegar, vinegar, vinegar. Fish and chips and vinegar, pepper, 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 salt. One last song for you, my friends. This one is Frog in the Meadow. It's another one of our very simple songs. Remember how it goes? Frog in the meadow, can't get him out. Take a little stick and stir him about. And then we decide maybe we want to use our pointer finger to stir that little froggy around. Frog in the meadow, can't get him out. Take a little stick and stir him about. Ah, that pesky frog isn't moving. Maybe this time you take a different body part. Maybe you want to try an elbow. Maybe try your ear. Frog in the meadow, can't get him out. Take a little stick and stir him about. Remember all the crazy ideas we try in class. We try our hair, sometimes our eye, our tongue is always a fun one to try to sing when you're trying to get the frog out of the meadow when your tongue is the stick. And just have a lot of fun with that. If you have somebody younger in your house, maybe see if you can teach that song to them. Whatever you do, guys and gals, stay safe, listen to your adults, and keep being musical. Bye, friends.